The Impact Dashboard makes responsible investing easy by showing you which companies in your portfolio share your values and which may engage in practices that you oppose. It's available across all of our trading platforms, including TWS, IBKR Mobile and Client Portal. Let's take a look at the dashboard in TWS. To get started, open your portfolio and click Impact. Move through the welcome screens to start choosing your preferences. Find out more about each value by clicking About. Your selections will be used to help calculate a portfolio impact score that compares values that are important to you with values that are important to the companies in your portfolio. Click a value to mark it as important. Click it again to make it very important. And click a third time to start over. Be sure to choose only those values that really matter to you. The more values you pick, the less impact each score will have on your portfolio score. Those you tag as very important carry more weight in the calculation. When you're done, click Next to select the practices to which you're opposed. You can choose as many of these as you want since they aren't included in the portfolio score calculation. Instead, we will red flag all companies that engage in these practices so that you can avoid them if you want. When you've finished making your selections, click Done to see how your portfolio aligns with your principles. Just below your score will show you the percentage of your holdings that provide impact data. Because this type of data is relatively new, it can also be limited. It's important for you to know these numbers to make the portfolio score more meaningful. The percentage is weighted relative to your portfolio weighting. For example, if only 2 of 10 positions have impact data, but those 2 positions account for 90% of your total portfolio value, we show that 90% of your holdings have impact data. The donut chart shows you which holdings are helping, hurting or are neutral in the portfolio score calculation. A position is helping when the company's values are aligned with yours, and it's hurting when the company's values are misaligned. Hover your mouse over a slice of the chart to see the percentage contribution of specific companies to the overall score. To the right of the chart we show the grade for each of the values you selected. Click a value grade for more detail. This small number next to any of the practices to avoid indicates how many companies in your portfolio engage in that practice. Click the practice to see a list of the flagged companies and their effect on your overall portfolio score. You might see a company that is flagged for engaging in a harmful practice but is still helping your overall score. Remember that red flags aren't included in the score calculation. We list your current positions below the chart and show the effect each has on your portfolio score. Click a position to see whether it's been flagged for any practices or if it aligns with your values. Toggle the tabs to see how buying the asset or selling it short could impact your score. Understanding how a company's values align with your own is just one more key piece of information you can use to make smarter investing decisions.